Hello, today we are going to talk about what advice I would give to someone who is looking to sign more coaching clients. So if you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button because I'm sharing videos that are going to help you grow and scale your coaching business the easy way. So let's get into it. If you are new and you don't have any clients yet, make sure to check out my video on how to get your first coaching clients. But here I'm going to talk about some other things you can do to then continue signing those coaching clients. So when I first started in coaching, I've been going through a certification, and while I was still in the certification, I signed my first coaching client at a really high rate. And I also launched a group coaching program, and signed 8 clients into that group coaching program. And in that group coaching program and with my clients, I've helped them sign more clients and also raise their prices. And I've seen a couple of things that they had to go through to be able to sign more clients. So it's not just about the strategies for signing those clients. You can find all the strategies online. You can find all the tips and tricks. You can use social media. You can do a million of things to sign those clients. But what stops most of the people is actually the internal things and their mindset. And one of the things that stop them is that fear of failure. So I always start with my clients on building that resistance and building that confidence. You have to be aware that some people are going to say no, and that's a part of the process. So the faster you get used to failure and the faster you get used to those no's, the faster you're going to start signing clients, because this fear is not going to stop you from taking action. One way I build this resilience with my clients is to actually put them in a state of abundance and gratitude. And this might seem weird, feeling grateful for your life right now when you don't have the clients, when you don't have the money coming in, but you need to feel that gratitude and you need to feel that appreciation for everything you have already, so that you don't have that desperation and that lack mindset, because people can sense that, and also you are going to be less motivated when you feel like that. So you are going to sign less clients when you feel that desperation, when you feel like nothing is working, when you don't feel that gratitude. So trust me when I say this is the first step and some of the foundations that I teach my clients what you need. And this helped me sign those clients, feeling that gratitude, being in that state of I'm coming out of a place of service, and this is what I want to do, and this is my purpose, and I'm here to serve those clients and find them and help them, rather than I need that client, I need that money. If I don't sign that client, I'm going to have to go back to my 9 to 5. So those are two different states of your mindset. And one is going to make it really hard for you to sign clients, and the other one is going to help you attract the ideal clients, the ones that you're not going to struggle with, the ones that are going to be a perfect match for you. So which one would you rather be? And when you have that resilience, when you're not afraid to fail, when you don't look at the outcome, then you have to start building up your confidence. So if you are not confident about yourself and your offers, and if you don't believe in yourself, it's going to be really hard to sign clients, because your subconscious is going to stop you from taking the clients in, because deep down you might not believe 100% that you can help those people. So how can you build up that confidence? What we teach our clients is to first look at your strengths, look at everything you've accomplished in your life, look at everything you've been through in your life, look at how you've changed with coaching and how those techniques that you have helped you. And if you had clients before, look at how you helped those clients. And if you didn't have clients before, go out there and start helping people for free or for low cost, so that you can build up that confidence. Don't wait for the confidence to be there 100%. Confidence is built over time, and it's built by taking action. And that's the third step that we teach our clients, taking that aligned action. But that aligned action has to come from that place of abundance and place of I'm here to serve, and I want to do this, and this is my purpose. And then taking that small action steps that don't have to be perfect. It can be really messy. You can do little things that, little strategies that you find online. You can go on social media, you can talk to people, whatever strategy feels easy to you, and start taking that messy action every single day. And that is going to build up your confidence. So once you have the resilience, the confidence, and taking that action, the clients are going to start coming in. So when the clients do start coming in, you are going to have to sell to them. So this is another place where I see my clients struggle a lot, because they see sales as something icky, like they're this manipulative salesperson, like they are going to push someone into this contract or to pay, or they're just going to take someone's money. So this is another block that subconsciously is stopping you from signing clients. And you have to overcome this block. And how do you overcome this block of feeling like sales are bad and sales are icky and manipulative and so on? Is by coming to that sales conversation or any conversation you have with potential clients from a place of love and service. So this is so common with all of my clients. Everyone who is doing coaching is doing it for some internal reasons, that you want to help people. You want to make an impact. You know what people are going through because maybe you've been through things, maybe someone you know has been through things, and you really, really want to help those people. So come from that place. Don't come from a place of, I'm going to sell something to them, or I'm going to manipulate them, or I'm going to force them into something. But turn your mindset around to seeing how you working with that person, them investing in you, is empowering that person to make a change in their lives. And by them giving the money to you, it's actually helping them to put more effort into that change. And both of you are then going to be grateful and happy that they invested, because it made them move. Most of the people are not going to move unless they invest something. And most of the time it has to be money, because when they invest the money, then they're going to have that feeling like, I really need to make this change because I've invested the money and I need to get my return on investment back. So they're going to take much more action if they pay you. And you are going to feel much better because you are going to get that exchange for your services, for the help that you are giving them. And if you don't get that money, if you don't sign those clients, you're not going to be able to fulfill your purpose, to help all of those people that need your help. There are people out there that need you. There are clients that are waiting for you to start working with you, to help them overcome their struggles. And if you are having trouble signing those clients, look back into the things that I've mentioned here and see which one of those might be stopping you. Are you maybe afraid of failure, of hearing those no's? Are you maybe lacking in confidence in your offers? And then what can you do to improve those? If you're not taking action, what little actions could you take to sign those clients? So I can give you a few examples. So you can go on social media and promote your offers. When you have the confidence, this is really easy. You can talk to people around you. So you can talk to your friends, to your family, ask them if they know anyone that would benefit from coaching or that is struggling with something you can help them with. Ask in communities you are a part of. Give free value. Maybe you can do a masterclass in a group. Maybe you can do something live in your community, some meditation, something. You can find clients anywhere around you, and you can use any strategy that you want. And it doesn't need to be complex, and it can be messy, and it can be imperfect. I've had clients, find their clients just by talking to people, maybe having market research calls, just messaging a friend, messaging a past case study. So, your client can come from anywhere, and the strategies out there, you can find all the strategies out there. But I feel like most of the people struggle with that internal belief and confidence in order to start signing those people, because opportunities are all around you. And you just have to be in a place where you're open to receive that opportunity, to receive those clients, and to receive that money that they want to pay you. And if you are struggling with sales, we are having an amazing sales challenge that is going to help you make sales effortless, that you can sign up down below. It starts on 13th of November, but if you are watching this later, the replays are going to be available and you can access them later after the challenge is over for free. So make sure to check the link down below and sign up for that sales challenge, because if that's one of the things that you are struggling with, if you feel like sales are manipulative and pushy, this is going to be a perfect training for you, because it's going to help you change that mindset where you're going to see sales as something beautiful and something that's a start of a partnership with you and your clients, so that you can finally start helping more people. And this is why I'm here. I'm here to help as many of you help other people. So make sure to check out the link below, sign up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.